Now, what I did, let me get that off. Get rid of some of that. Well, I have a blaze underneath this thing. I crank it. I ain't gonna crank it until I get oil for both the motor and transmission. But if you can see, I marked the first bolt I started with right here. Alright, and then I actually marked here because I'm gonna rotate the motor where it'll go around to here, and I'll be able to attach to this to here. Okay, but you can actually reach each and every one of these all the way around with that snap-on wrench, that long one, and you're going to want to make sure. You see how that is? That's what you're looking for. A wrench that has an extra little extension, not just, flat and straight across. Alright. And I removed my oil line right here, this, so I don't damage it in any form or fashion. And that is a 13 millimeter, and it's right here, and it actually goes to the block on the, not the block, but the oil pan. Alright, right below, right above the oil filter. Okay, and I'll take this pan off later. And then I took my, this is what it looks like. It's actually a iron worker's tool is what it is. Well, I stuck it in there, right straight through that torque converter bolt hole. Now, see? And there you have it. And I got them all torqued down. You go in a cross pattern. So let's say I started here with this one. I went straight up above it to the one, I don't know if you can see, here. And then I went from here down to here. And I went from here to over to this one. And then from this one to this one right here. And to this one. And I went 3 times. I got them snug, tight, and then tighter. Okay, you don't want to break that nut, that bolt. So you just be careful. Now I'm ready to slide it back in the transmission. I'm ready to slide transmission back in and align it up in here. So I'm gonna spray a bunch of WD-40 across this thing right here and the other aligning pin and shoot it up in the hole. And I'll take, see now it's just me, I'll put a ratchet here and I'll pull from the front cross member forward to pull this transmission forward. I use one of my straps, okay? It seems like I got that, whoops. Like I got that one. That's how I pulled it back a little bit, and then I rocked it, and I pulled it, and I rocked it, and I rocked it, and I rocked it until I finally got the aligning pins to give on both sides. And trust me, that was a job. And when I get the aligning pins lined up on each side, I'll put a bolt here, and I'll put a bolt on the other side, and then I'll put one right in the top. And I'll slowly pull them bolts up until this thing is up. And that all depends. You got to get up and down a lot under the truck because you're going to have to adjust the, you're going to have to tilt the transmission so that it mates on the block, the engine block. You can see right there. So you have to go up, get it lined and get it a bolt in it. It's after you get really close. Alright, and then you're going to want to start aligning the use these things right here and that one right over there. This tilts up and down, this tilts side to side. Alright, and then you have to jack up and down just to get the lining pins to mate. So there you have it, guys. I have successfully installed the flywheel on this thing, and my truck is a GMC 2500 HD Sierra, and it's the base, and I have a 4L80E transmission, okay, and that flywheel is the FRA 450, and you can get it at O'Reilly's for $64.99. Okay? And once I get all this done, made it and put together, we'll drop the oil pan and we'll do the timing on it. We want to get them torque converter bolts in. That's the main thing right now. All right, and then when we get that done, we'll come back and we'll put the clips, the new clips, in the transmission lines. I got oil all over my hands right here. All right, we got brand new clips, and they go in each one of them. Let's see if we can get up in here. Get out of the way. Out of the way. Out of the way. I can't see it. That may be it. I don't know. I can't really see it. Alright, you'll figure it out. It's really not that difficult. There it is. Right there. There's one. Okay. I can't tell if you can see it or not. I got everything laying down right now. But nanny, shaw's bought and all that other good shit, and I'm doing it in between the raindrops. Bye.